welcome back to our channel. So today we are in Lonavala exploring another resort for you all. We will be giving our unbiased review so that you can make an informed decision if you are planning a vacation over here. So we have an ongoing series on our channel where we are exploring multiple staycation properties in Lonavala, and this is the fourth property. We have explored luxury properties along with forest properties so that you have variety to choose from. So come on, let's go inside and explore this property. So right now we are at the Arboreal Resort. Come on, let's go inside and show you around. To reach the property, there is a point from where only a 4x4 would be suitable. So they provide you a pickup and drop service from that point. In case you are coming by your own vehicle, you can park your car over there and go with them ahead. Post check-in, this is the trail from which you will be going to your rooms, and it has a really beautiful view all along. Oh my god, will you look at that? It's a tiny little crab right at the trail. Let's not disturb him and carry on. So this right above me is our cottage, and now let's show you the pool, which is a common pool for these cottages. Come on. So here's a small pool. If you are coming over here, do check it out and enjoy with your friends and family. This is the way to our cottage. Come on, let's give you a quick room tour. So the room which we have booked is luxury sun room. Come on in. Right at the entrance there are some water bottles on a glass table. Then there is a lounging area with a table and a side table. Here there is a kettle, then a refrigerator. This is the space to hang your clothes and keep your luggage. Now here's a comfortable bed, and right behind it is the washroom. Come on in. Towards the left of the bathroom is a huge bathtub with a view of the lake and mountains. Now here is a cute little shower with a bucket and the tap work. Here's a basin along with a mirror and a side mirror, then the bombing area. Here's a stand where you can hang your clothes. Then towards this side is the work table with an amazing view of Pavana Lake right there and backdrop of the mountains. Also they have given a bench right in front of the bed in case you want to enjoy the views from inside. Come on, let's show you the view from the deck. Now this is the deck. Let me quickly close the door. It comes with a beautiful mountain view and a seating area. Now this is a cozy little corner on the deck from where you can witness the amazing stunning views of the mountains and the lake itself, and maybe read a book and chill with your family. This room costed us around 17,000 rupees including breakfast. So we have begun our trek towards the waterfall. Come on, let's go. Oh my god, it looks like a cave of trees. It's slippery over here. I can hear the waterfall, and there is a tiny little stream going on in between the path. So come on, let's cross it. So make sure You bring your shoes, extra pair of it, so that it will get wet and you have another pair of shoes. Then bring full clothes so that you stay covered and do not get mosquito bites. I think this is the river, formation of river from the waterfall, and it looks beautiful inside the jungle. Gives me all adventure vibes. It is an amazing experience for nature lovers. You need to have a little bit of stamina going inside the jungle. In between the trails there are streams, beautiful streams. It is a bit scary, but I'm loving it, and the best part is that it comes complimentary with your stay. Oh my god, and it's you! Also, do not forget to carry your umbrella. It might rain anytime. Wow. Wow. Oh my god, will you look at that? It is a totally worth it hike. Do not miss it if you are coming to Arboreal Resort. I highly recommend it, but do not bring kids and elderly people with you because it is not a trail for them. Really beautiful. Wow. So we are back from the hike, and it was a lovely one, but a tough one too. So make sure you carry a strong pair of shoes which are comfortable for you, because I slipped a lot of times and it started raining when we went over there. So it took us around 45 minutes to go and come back, because we couldn't stay at the waterfall more than 5 minutes. As I said, it started raining. But in case you want to stay over there 10-15 minutes, then give or take you consider 1 hour for that hike. And I definitely recommend it, but make sure you do not bring your kids or any elderly people who have a problem in walking. Yeah, that's about it. We'll be going to have some food and give our review about that soon. Okay, so the food is here. We have ordered one aloo paratha and honey chili potato. Honey chili potato is for 250 and aloo paratha is for 140. So let's taste it and I'll tell you how is it. The paratha is really tasty. Let's taste the honey chili potato now. Taste is good, but it's not crispy, although they did not mention it that it will be crispy, and slightly the potato is undercooked. So as per my taste, it is undercooked but not raw. So yeah, I think the food is good. So for dinner we have ordered one veg hakka noodles which is for 300 rupees, then steamed rice which is for 170, and dal tadka for 240 rupees. Tandoor was not available right now, so tandoori roti and naan was not an option for us, so that is why we have ordered dal and rice. And we are sitting at the restaurant right now, and there is a stream flowing right beside, so it feels really breezy, which feels good. It is the night time, so we won't be able to show much, but I think it will look beautiful in the day. So the Hakka noodles are here, and Rahul is having dal chawal. He says it is okayish. Let me taste the noodles and I'll let you know. Noodles are really tasty and I definitely recommend it. Okay, so we have checked out of the resort, and we checked out early, that is at 8 a.m. The breakfast buffet starts at 8:30, but Mr. Akash and team were kind enough to provide us the breakfast in boxes so that we can have it on our way. That was really kind of them. And yeah, so we did not have the breakfast buffet, but early in the morning we woke up just to show you the stream which was flowing nearby the restaurant area. So I'll just put that clip here. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. It really helps us and motivates us to create more such videos. I definitely recommend staying at the Arboreal. It was a good stay, although they quoted the room to be luxury, but it wasn't a luxury experience totally. But the service was really good. The staff was, as I said, courteous. So yeah, we enjoyed our stay, and of course the views were stunning. So see you in my next one. Love.